Summary of the chapter: A Truly Beautiful Mind. It introduces us to Albert Einstein's transformative theory of relativity. Einstein's genius redefined classical physics, challenging conventional notions of time, space, and gravity. The narrative unfolds the profound impact of his theories on the scientific landscape. It delves into Einstein's commitment of unraveling the mystery of the universe, emphasizing his perseverance amidst societal challenges. The chapter serves as an exploration of how revolutionary ideas can reshape our understanding of the world. It celebrates Einstein's intellectual brilliance, showcasing the enduring power of curiosity and innovation in the pursuit of scientific truth.